We want to take a moment to honor and express our gratitude to our World Migratory Bird Day supporters. Your commitment and support are crucial to the success of migratory bird conservation. A special thank you to our global flyway partners, the U.S. Forest Service and National Park Service. We are truly grateful to our American Flyway partners, the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service, Bureau of Land Management, Optics for the Tropics, and Partners in Flight. Your dedication to conservation and education in protecting migratory birds is invaluable. Thank you for your contributions. Thank you to our program partners, the Xerces Society for Invertebrate Conservation, Pepco Holdings, Avian Powerline, Songbird Essentials, the U.S. Department of Defense, and Vortex Optics for their partnership and support. To our friend-level sponsors, Birds Caribbean, Nature Canada, Birds Canada, and Canabio. Your support is appreciated in achieving our goals of fostering community and conservation across borders. Lastly, Environment for the Americas is grateful to all of our members, donors, supporters, and World Migratory Bird Day event organizers. Your contributions are helping to create a more connected and conscientious world. And to you, our audience, thank you for watching and supporting migratory bird conservation. You can further support our campaign by visiting migratorybirdday.org or by donating to Environment for the Americas at environmentamericas.org.